Samsung Galaxy Tab S7/S7 Plus get new blue color, 512GB option. Samsung is now listing a phantom navy color option for its Galaxy Tab S7 Plus and Galaxy Tab S7. The new blue color is out of stock at the moment and we could only find it in Samsung's German website. The phantom navy sits alongside the previously available Mystic Black, Mystic Bronze and Mystic Silver color options. Additionally, Roland Quandt reports that Samsung will soon start offering a 512GB model of the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. No details on pricing are available at this point, though. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 and S7 Plus both run Android 11 with One UI 3.1, have Snapdragon 865 Plus chipsets and 3 cameras. Both have 120Hz displays, but the Galaxy Tab S7 uses an 11-inch LTPS TFT, while the Tab S7 Plus steps things up to a 12.4-inch Super AMOLED. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.